Okay, so in this video tutorial, I will show how we can handle different user roles like admins, sales agents, and customers. Since we already have an admin account, so there is no need to create another one. First, we will make sales agent accounts and then some customers accounts, and then we will link those customers under those sales agents. After that, I will give those customers the ability to bid or just to be a guest. And finally, I will demonstrate how to change a customer status to active or inactive. So let's go to our auction website. This is our URL auction.autonetjapan.com, and our admin account credential is autonetadmin as username and 2017 as password. So if we sign in here, we need to move to user management. Okay, so if we want to create some customers, from left side we can see that we have user type. Those input fields which has these red asterisk marks, those fields are mandatory. That means we cannot leave those fields as blank, and rest of the fields we can leave as it is, no problem. So we are going to create sales agents, so we have to select sales agent as user type. Then we have to create a name for sales agent, if we want to create this one, sales agent 1, so let's give name like this, sales agent 1, and let's select the sales agent as others, company name Autonet Japan, suppose address is Ueno, city is Taito, country Japan, number 09019735910, fax leave as it is, and assume our sales agent on's email is saleson@gmail.com or salesagent@gmail.com. Website is autonetjapan.com. Here is another type. First one was the user type, and second one is bidder type. Like a sales agent will be able to bid or not. Like if we select it as a guest, then the sales agent will not be able to bid on any car. And if we select this as bidder, then the sales agent will be able to bid on cars. So we select as bidder, then tick mark this active, and now we have to put on username for the sales agent. So let's give like this, sales on, password I'm putting same, sales on, and I have to enter the password twice for confirmation, sales on. And here I'm putting the bid adjustment amount is 20,000, currency is Japanese yen, and show final price. Now here at the bottom we have a button that is add member. If we click on this button, then the sales agent will be created. So let's see. So here if we can see, our new sales agent on is created. Here the full name is sales agent 1, company is Autonet Japan, and here the username is sales on and password is also sales on. And similarly we can create another sales agent, that is sales agent 2, sales agent 2, others, again clicking on add member button. So we can see our two sales agents has been created. Here it is sales agent 2 and here it is sales agent 1. So we have created two sales agents under admin. Now we move on to the next phase. We will create 3 customers under sales agent 1, starting with the creation of customer 1 and associating them with sales agent 1. Let's proceed with the step. So if I come here and create another user and user type, this time I am selecting customer and putting the name customer 1. And here is the main section. Previously, while creating sales agent, we are selecting others, but now for creating customer 1, if I want to assign customer 1 under sales agent 1, I have to select sales agent 1, and rest of the thing I'm putting as same as previous. And I'm putting the email as customer1@gmail.com. Website is Autonet Japan. Type, I'm putting the type as bidder. As like the picture for customer 1, I have written that he can bid, so I'm putting the type as bidder, and then take this checkbox as active. Now I'm putting the username as customer1, and same thing goes for the password and repeat password customer1 and customer1. So here I'm not putting any bidding adjustment amount because for sales agent 1 I have put already 25,000 or 20,000 maybe, so I'm not putting any bid adjustment amount. So currency is JPY, and then show final price, no, add member. So here customer 1 is created, and as you can see his sales agent is already assigned as sales agent 1. And similarly, if we want to create some other sales customers under sales agent 1, and if we don't want to create it from admin side, what you can do, you can simply log in as sales agent 1. For login as sales agent 1, we have to put username and password sales 1, and user as sales 1 and password as also sales 1. So let's log out and try login from that sales agent 1. So the username was sales 1 and password is also sales 1. So if we sign in as sales agent 1, here is the dashboard for sales agent 1, and if we go to user management and select members, we can see only 2 members. Previously it was 4 or 5 members, but in sales agent 1 I can see only 2 members, sales agent 1 himself and the customer previously we created and assigned to sales agent 1. That's why we can see customer 1. So if I want to create another customer, that is customer 2, and who also can bid, what I need to do, I have to just simply write the name and some other all other fields. Here you can see the first field that was user type, that is gone, because by default if you are logged in as a sales agent, whatever user you will create, he will be definitely customer under that sales agent. So customer 2, company name is Autonet Japan, Bueno, Taito, Japan, and I'm just putting some random phone numbers. I don't know that it exists or not. Mail is previous one was customer 1, now I'm putting as customer 2. Website is Autonet Japan. User type is bidder, because I previously mentioned that customer 2 also can bid. And tick the checkbox as active and put in the username as customer2. Copy the name and paste it to the password. If you want, you can write some different passwords, but for memorizing easily, I'm using the same username and password. Currency is JPY and add member. So here you can see customer 2 is also created, and that is also assigned to sales agent 1. And now if I want to create another customer, that is customer 3, as a guest, then what I need to do? Simply follow the same thing. Company name Autonet Japan, address is Ueno, city is Taito, Japan, 5, email is sales agent 3, website, and here in type we have to select guest. Then this sorry, why you are this I made a mistake. This is not sales agent, this is customer 3. If we select the type as guest, then the customer 3 will not be able to bid for any car. He can just see all those cars, but it can't be able to bid on any car. And check the tick as active. Now I'm putting username as customer 3, password is same. Bid adjustment amount, I'm not putting anything. Currency is JPY and add member. So here you can see customer 3 is also created and his user type is guest here. And in future, if you want to change the type to from guest to bidder, what you need to do, just simply click on this edit icon, then all those fields will be filled automatically. Then we have to change guest to bidder, and then simply click on update. So I'm not clicking update, I'm just putting that customer 3 as a guest. So this is all for this video. And okay, let me show you one thing. If I log in as a customer, like previously at the first we logged in as admin, then we created sales agents and customers, and logged in as sales agent on, and then created 3 customers. So it is clear that from admin or sales agent we can create customers, but if we log in as a customer, we can't create anything. Like if we log into customer 1, from here we can see there is no customer section on the top menu. That means we cannot create or delete any customer from a customer. So that's it for this video, and rest of the things I will describe in next video.